Men. Yep, you heard me right. By the end of the video, you'll either love them or hate me from bringing it up. So let's talk about men. A species that is expected to fix broken sinks, pay for fancy dinners, and keep their emotions tighter than a politician's secrets. Crime, taboo, mental health. What are you, an Oprah? Even a doctor's visit to them is like facing Thanos. No matter how hard you try, the major hero is bound to die. Society loves to say, men have it easy. But if it is so easy, then why is no one talking about switching the roles? Battle se leke Sharma ji ke bete tak. Men are juggling with the expectations, like circus clowns, to which no one's really clapping. So let's break the silence and feel and talk about rather what is it really to be a man in today's world. Men are sort of expected to be strong, emotionless and hard, kind of indestructible. Cry? Nah, that's for only when a hero's dog dies in a movie. Society की rule book आदमियों के लिए simple है. Fix everything, pay for everything, but never admit that you're stressed. And that's really shocking. But let's be honest, even Superman had a fortress of solitude. If he has one, maybe men also need one. एक ऐसी जगह जहां पे आप सिर्फ अपने थॉट्स के अराउंड हो, किसी का फजूल का स्ट्रेस, किसी का प्रेशर, किसी की ट्यूली एक्सपेक्टेशंस, अपने पैशन के अगेंस्ट जाने का डर कुछ भी ना हो. जब उसे दुनिया को बचाने से टाइम आउट चाहिए था, then why can't man have a time out, a rest without being called lazy? And don't get me started with the custody battles. Men are treated like backup singers. They are important, but never the headliners. A father fights tooth and nail to get custody of his child, only to end up with less time than country's attention to unemployment. This bias isn't just unfair. It is a slap to those fathers who really concern about their children, who really love their child. And let's be honest, parenting isn't a Kumbh Mela where you just show up and get your child. और यही सिस्टम मदर्स को डिफॉल्ट पेरेंट्स अज्यूम करता है. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, पेरेंटिंग इजंट अ मार्वल मूवी. अ चाइल्ड नीड्स both the heroes. Fathers aren't a plan B. They are one major half of the parenting puzzle. And the suicide statistics no one talks about. Globally, men account to 75% of the suicide. Well, when they come out of their closet, they are told to man up and be stronger. It's like किसी डूबते हुए इंसान को ये बोलना हो कि just swim harder. How is that for equality? Believe me, you only get equality when you have to shout hard enough. How about हम जख्मों पे बैंडेज लगाने की जगह ये सोचें where the real issue is coming from. Men also need space to talk about without judgment, without bottling up their emotions. But society sadly is not providing them. Because remember, bottling up emotion doesn't always breaks heart. It stops them. Why is strength expected to be directly proportional to won by emotion? And that is emotionless. The more you're emotionless, the more you're stronger. This is not the math. This is a wrong math. And what about domestic violence? The invisible scars of men. Don't get me started on it. When a man says or admits that he has been domestically abused or assaulted, the society acts like he saw a Bigfoot. I mean, seriously? How much shock can you be on that criteria? Disbelief mixed with mockery. Abuse knows no gender. Yet, a man when admits any abuse or assault, the society claims he gets back statements like this. She hit you? Couldn't you just block it, man? Life isn't Mortal Kombat. You can't always be a victim by using cheat codes. We have so long framed men as villains that we have ourselves forget that they bleed too. And let me tell you the worst part. बहुत सारे आदमी, even I will say majority of men, isolation में suffer करते हैं. Because admitting abuse feels like surrendering their masculinity, which is not true. And this is why such a high rate of suicides is seen all over the world, not only in India, not only in US, but I'm talking about the entire world. Imagine a world where seeking help is seen as a term of weakness. Abuse doesn't discriminate. Then why does the society